Hello friends, welcome to today's Spark session. In this session, we are going to learn about the scenario-based question in Spark. This question we might often encounter in a Spark interview as well as in our real-time use cases. And the question is, we have an input CSV file as shown here, and we have some dummy lines in the initial stage of file. Like these records will describe about the data, and these are all not the actual data. So our use cases, we need to remove these dummy lines from the file, and we need to load it as shown here in the Spark data frame. I have given a JIT link in the description. You can get the CSV file for your reference from there. That being said, let me show you the file that I have. This is the CSV file that I have for our today's example, and we have to remove line 1 to 7, and we need to load the data from 8 to 23. That being said, let us get started with our development. I have already developed a code for this scenario. Let me walk you through the notebook. Here you can see the first two lines are initiation of the Spark session, and also I have initiated a Spark context as well. Since here we are going to read the CSV file as a RDD, and also here we can find I have applied a map transformation in which I have applied a split operation with comma separation, and also we can notice I have given a partition as 2. Here from rdd dot give map get map partition, it gives us a 2, and also I will show you the data as well. So this is the data that we have from the CSV file. We have read this and then we have converted it into RDD, and our goal is to remove this initial unwanted data and load the other data as a Spark data frame. Let us see how we can do that. For that, in our Spark we have a transformation called map partition with index, which we are going to use here. The difference between the map and the map partition with index is map, as usual, it will operate on a row by row basis, and map partition will operate on the partition basis. So here it applies the index to the each partition, and if the partition is equal to 0, we are going to omit from 0 to 8, and we are going to take the rest other things. So let us see how it is done. Let me run this code. In our next video, we will learn what is the difference between the map partition and map partition with index. For now, understand this alone, and let me give a collect statement for the map partition with index that we did. So here you can observe the difference between the initial and the map partition with index. We have removed the initial few lines, like from this first list till the header column we have removed the list, and the rest stay here. And from this RDD we will create a Spark data frame, and for that I will create a schema with a header list, and in this create data frame I will give a input as a RDD and then the schema. Let me run this, and also I will give a show command for us to see the output. So by this way we can ignore few lines from the CSV file and load the rest of lines in a Spark data frame. Hope you understood this concept. Please try this on your own machine and let me know if you face any issues. If you like this video, give a thumbs up signal and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.